on. It's got to get ears.
Oh yeah, get ears.
Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. If you want, back up and.
So you got plenty of ammo because there's some ladies around there that get a shot too.
Two of them, and neither one of them blew up.
Let me shoot him. Chad.
All right, man.
Go to the next one.
You got to be the right kind of cool to shoot it.
But you're gonna use a rifle.
No, I just hit his wife and it didn't go.
It's got to be the more
I'm going to pull this off my shoulder.
Pretty good shot though.
Oh yeah, you're hitting
I
them
mean,
all.
oh yeah.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, if you want to try that. Or,
All right, this one's gonna go.
Keep going. I got plenty to go through.
All right.
Nice. There we go.